Can everybody hear me? Assalamu alaikum. आवाज नहीं आई? Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing well and you all are doing great. I hope you guys know whom I am. Do you guys know who I am? नन में ढेर तारीफून वशवल खोच चाहता न पता. I am Muhammad Hassan. I am just a humble student of Sir Hamid Taala. Ustaz यो ढेर खो ustaz दे और जमाम ustaz दे माते न ढेर अर्सस दकड़ी दी और सर च नन ज़ाहिर शवे हम दलत मुंग सर काफ़ी मशरान दी खो माँ यो खपल यो एफर्ट करे दे और खपल यो किताब में लिखले नो नन दाखे पर सेलिब्रेशन की मुंगा टोल रहे उसे शव्यू and I believe this is a great opportunity to talk about a few things. This book is not just about me. This book is not just about my learning. This book's purpose is for everybody. All of you guys who are here right now, this book is for all of you and to serve a purpose in your life. When you are reading this book, I hope you learn something, and that is about the process of education and of never-ending learning. Learning is something that is continuous. Until your last breath, do you stop learning? Never. There is a difference between education and between learning. Do you know what the difference is? Education सिर्फ और सिर्फ देते हुए चित्त स्कूल कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटी तलार छे खो लर्निंग ज़दकड़ा यो उमर सरा it's not dependent upon that. ज़दकड़ा मुंगा खपल अखिरने सापोरे कौआ और मुंगा मुसलसल ज़दकड़ा कौ और दायो वाहिद शेर मुख्तलिफ खलक चिकम जमुंगना अक्सर as a child यो माशूम पतौर बानी ज़ मुख्तलिफ खल को सरा मिलाऊशम चिकम माने मशरानी अगी वो चिमुंगल अराजी खुदा कॉन्सेप्ट माडेर कला कला तंग की ज़म चिता सुले दर्जी खुसंगा ज़का मेन पॉइंट आदे ची जोंत के दन्ना we can never know all of it. मुंगता हमेशा हर योशी नशी पता लगे दे. We cannot know everything. We cannot understand everything, and that is all right. Learning is very important. that دلته چې څونه هم موږ سره خلک موجود دي ستاسو ټولو لرننګ ډېر امپورټنټ دی ځکه دا به ستاسو فیوچر جوړوي چې که ما مختلف ټایم پهله او مختلف ډفرنټ ټاپکس او مختلف کارونه ما کړي دي په خپل ژوند کې ورکوټې غونته کې عمر مې دی خو ما هم ډېر عرصه کړي دي نو که دا عرصه ما پاست کې نه کولې نن به ما کتاب لیکلی شو نه دا چې دا کم عرصه ما پاست کې کړي وو دغه ایکسپیرینسز چې ما جمع کړي که هغه ایکسپیرینسز ما سره نه و نن به زه ستاسو مخکې ولاړم نه چې تاسو نن یو قدم والی خپل ځان دپاره خپل فیوچر دپاره او یو بهتری دپاره نو سبا به یقینا تاسو په یو ډېر غټ مقام باندې Your today determines your future and your past determines your present and you have to understand the gravity of this situation. Learning is a never-ending process and never believe that you can ever stop learning. And to all the youngsters, to all the children, to all the youth that are with us here right now, learning goes beyond and learning is such an amazing process. You always learn and it's just not about education system. Education system, yes, it gives you skills, it gives you speaking, it gives you writing, it gives you all these skills. But learning is something that allows you to build cognitive skills, allows you to build communication skills, allows you to build all of these things. And remember, you may not use education in your life, but learning will always come in handy. Learn new skills, learn new languages, learn new things. Because remember, these are some things that will never weigh you down. یو نوې شی چې تاسو زده کوئ که هغه زبان که هغه سکل هغه به تاسو کله هم تنګوي نه هغه به تاسو خرابوي نه هغه به همیشه ستاسو په فایدې کې راځي. When the time calls for it, you'll be able to use it and you'll be in benefit because of it. The same goes for many skills. May it be English language, may it be communication skills, may it be any other form of skills. Nowadays, the biggest need for skill, and especially in any form of job, any form of work that you're doing, is communication skills. Improve that. If you're a businessman, if you're a salesperson, if you're a doctor, whomever you are, you need to have a control, you need to have a nice amount of communication skills. And I am very much proud that my book serves a purpose in teaching English, my book serves a purpose in helping you understand English, but most importantly, Sir Hamid right here, he was the one that allowed me to be able to speak here, to earn these communication skills. You guys are blessed by Sir Hamid that he brought you such good opportunities. A few years from now, 4 5 years, there was no such concept. But now there are so many new different skills, there are so many new different things that you can learn, and all of these combine to create a different person. All of these combine to turn you into somebody better. And for that reason, I believe this is a perfect opportunity for all the students here. ما ته پته د تاسو دلته انجوایمنټ لراغلی، خو زما خبرې سیریس واله، او که تاسو دا خبرې سیریس واله او زده کړه وکړئ، نو یقینا تاسو کمیونیکیشن سکلز، انګلیش لینګویج سکلز، آی ټي سکلز او داسې مختلف اور سکلز چې کوم تاسو سرحامل نه زده کولی شئ، د دې سره به ستاسو فیوچر سیکیوري او د دې سره به ستاسو لرننګ کله هم نه ودرېږي او تاسو به بهتر انسان جوړېږئ. ډېر مننه. او زه به یو بله خبره وکړم دلته کې چې زموږ څونه هم ینګسټرز دي. We all have a passion of doing things what we love, but we never are able to pursue those careers. زمونږ همیشه مشران وایي چې په دې کار کې سکوپ نشته. There is no scope in this work. There is no earning in this job. And this is a very wrong concept in my perception. If you go after scope, if you go after earning, if you go after all of these things, you'll never be able to achieve success, because success has to do with passion. And passion is what matters. If you are not passionate about what you are doing, you may do it for today and you may earn a lot of money, but in the future, even if you are successful, if you all are able to earn a lot, you'll still not be happy. No, कि अगर आप लोग अपने पैशन को परस्यू करेंगे, अगर आप लोग अमीर ना बने, अगर स्कोप ना हुआ काम के अंदर, फिर भी you guys will all be happy, and that is what matters. خپل passion, خپل یو داسې سکل چې کوم ستاسو خوښي، هغه سکل راونیسئ او پرفیکټ کړئ هغه سکل، او داسې مختلف نور سکلز هم زده کړئ. That is all. Thank you so much.